Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. Databricks is one of the most demanding skills that each company is looking for. If you are new to the data field or you are new to Databricks, then the certification of Databricks will give you an upper hand in the job interview. Even if you are an experienced person, also you can use the features of Databricks more efficiently in your job. So it is definitely valuable to get a job, get a promotion, do your daily activities with efficiency. In this video, I will be explaining about the Databricks certification, who is it for, how to prepare for it, what is the cost associated with it, and at the end, the tips and tricks to qualify this exam. So let's go ahead and begin with the Databricks certification. There are total 5 agendas that we will be covering today. That is, what is the certification is all about, how the exam structure is looking like. So we will go ahead and deep dive into exam overview. What is the syllabus for the Databricks Data Engineering certification, and how to register the exam, and what is the tip and trick to qualify this particular exam. So there are multiple Databricks certification that Databricks provides. The one that we will be focusing on today is the Data Engineer Associate. Then after you qualify this Data Engineer Associate, then you can go ahead and qualify for the Data Engineer Profession. So Data Engineer Associate is the foundational certification for data engineers who want to demonstrate skills using Databricks Lakehouse platform. Once you complete it, jump into the Data Engineer Professional. Apart from Data Engineer, you can also go ahead and give Data Analyst Associate exam, which is for data analysts mainly. And for data engineers, you can also appear for Spark Developer Associate. And if you are a data scientist or a business analyst, then Machine Learning Associate also you can go with, which is the foundational level for machine learning. The Databricks Engineer Associate can be taken by data scientists, software engineers, business analysts, data engineers, of course, and anyone who want to learn data engineering. So in this, the particular individual should have the ability to use the Databricks Lakehouse platform. Some tasks such as understanding of the Lakehouse platform, its workspace, its architecture, and its capabilities, individual should know. The individual should have the ability to perform the multi-hop architecture, the ETL task, using Apache Spark SQL and Python in both batch and streaming. Then comes the ability basic ETL pipelines and Databricks SQL queries and dashboard into production while maintaining the entity permissions. Then comes the learning pathway. In this learning pathway, you need to first go ahead and give the certification for Databricks Lakehouse Fundamental. Once you go ahead and qualify that particular, it's just a 1 hour video that you have to watch and give some answers to the question. You have to understand the basic of Spark architecture, which includes the adaptive query execution, which is AQE. If you are familiar with Spark, you will be knowing what is this AQE. You also need to know how to apply the Spark data frame API to complete individual data manipulation tasks. You should also have the working knowledge of Python or Scala, any one programming language. So how many number of questions will you expect to go ahead and answer in this particular exam? So the total number of questions are 45, and the time limit that it will go ahead and give you in order to answer is 90 minutes. And in those 90 minutes, you have to answer those 45 questions with the passing criteria of 70%. If it is less than 70%, then you will not be qualified for that particular exam. How much exactly you need to pay for the registration fee for this particular exam? It is actually $200, right? If you are actually appearing in India, then convert this $200 into Indian rupees and see how much it is. So let's go ahead and talk about the syllabus that is needed to cover this particular exam. So the first comes with the Databricks Lakehouse platform, you need to understand what is Databricks Lakehouse platform. It covers around 24%. Then we have this ETL with Spark, SQL, and Python, which covers 29%. Then is the incremental data processing, which is 22% of it. And production pipeline contains 16%, and data governance has 9%. So the maximum number of questions you will get it from ETL with Spark, SQL, and Python, that is 13 questions. And then you will get it from Databricks Lakehouse platform, that has 11 questions. The least amount of question you will get it from data governance, which is 4, and then the production pipeline, which you will have only 7 questions out of 45. So let's go ahead with then how you can go ahead and register your exam. So it's a website that Databricks provides and has a collaboration with, which is the webassessor.com. You can go here and you can create your new account and register and schedule the exam. Don't schedule the exam if you are not prepared for it, okay? Make sure you have advanced time frame in order to prepare for the exam and then register accordingly. Then we have some tips how exactly what all resources you can go ahead and use in order to crack this particular exam. So for that, first of all, visit this official website. I will show you also this official website, which has all the documentation, any information that you need related to this particular Databricks Data Engineer Associate. You can go ahead and look at it. Then we have how you can solve the paper. There are some official practice paper that Databricks provides. Make sure 100% you go ahead and solve this practice paper. We have some trainings also Databricks provides, which you can go to the Customer Academy and you can watch that particular video related to Databricks Data Engineering profile. Don't forget to practice in the community website. Databricks also provide a free edition called community.cloud.databricks.com, where you can go ahead and freely practice all your code inside it. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you the official website, the practice paper, where you can get this training and how you can practice it. This is our official website for Databricks Certified Data Engineer Associate. So you can just go through it. I have already covered most of the points. If there's something missing, just go ahead and go through it once and you will come to know everything about the exam. Go to the Databricks Learning, that is the customeracademy.databricks.com, where you can go ahead and learn and watch the video related to this exam. This is the one that we have, that is Data Engineering with Databricks version 3, right? Just go ahead and watch all this. It's a very big learning session that you will get, but it will cover everything that you will actually need, along with transformation, the Delta Life table, Unity catalog, and everything. Okay, so then you can go ahead and practice this in your community edition, this community.cloud.com, right? In this, you can go ahead and practice all your code. So you don't need an individual setup basically in order to practice it. Some of them are paid features, right? Like workflows, which you cannot use it here, but still you can watch that videos. And if you want to really go ahead and use it, then you can upgrade the Databricks to a subscription level. But it is a huge cost, so make sure if you are doing it, go to the pricing page and then do it. This was just an overview on how you can go ahead and prepare your Databricks Certification Associate exam, what it is all about, and how you can go ahead and register your exam. In the coming video, I will go ahead and elaborate the complete syllabus and will also give you some mock questions so that you can go ahead and practice those questions before going to the interview. If you like my video, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a good day.